How to update to iOS 18.3 beta. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can update your iPhone to iOS 18.3 beta version. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you'll want to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, simply go to the general option, and under general, you'll see the software update for option. Tap on it and wait for it. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi, and after you've done that, you will see the update option. Now you will see beta updates right here too. So if you have turned this off, make sure that you turn it on. After you turn it on, you should have iOS 18.3 beta option available. So tap on update now or update tonight depending on your wish, and after you do that, your iPhone will get updated to iOS 18.3. And that's how you do it, guys. That is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.